Hey guys, welcome back. Maritza here with Stovetopyumyum, and today we are recipe number 2 of our seasoning blend series, guys. I'm making these recipes, I'm creating them very simple for all of us that work so much and don't have time. So let's simple, easy go-to recipes. Today I am making some cubed sirloin medallions alongside some Julienne fresh zucchini, all in the same pot. And today, guys, we are using my original blend, seasoning blend. This is the Cuban one, the smoky one. Yum. I also have alongside of that, which I'll have in the description, some brown rice, the way I make it. A lot of you that have my seasoning already know how I make it. I'll have the recipe. I'll show you guys when I plate. And guys, you don't want to miss this. Let me show you the ingredients. Check them out. All right, so we have sirloin medallions. So I cut them into 1/2-inch pieces, and I am marinating them, in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of olive oil, and that's it. You can marinate it for about, the acid and the lemon will tenderize your meat. But you see how easy this is. These are like one pot dishes, and you guys will love this. I have 3 big fresh zucchinis that I've cut them in kind of like Julienne cut. I have them here. I have, of course, fresh cilantro because I'm a cilantro girl. And this recipe goes great with chopped parsley as well, with flat leaf parsley. We have 1 lime and 3 fresh garlic cloves. So I'm going to grab my oil and we're going to get started, guys. How easy is this? Jeez. I'm trying to make this. I'm going to put it on high. Although when you're working with olive oil, and by the way, this is the oil of my choice. This one's getting low. I'll grab the other one. Oh, goodness. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. It happens to the best of us. All right, so we'll put this baby aside. So I'm going to grab, this is on high. I can't reiterate it enough, you guys. Please, when you're using olive oil, do not walk away from your stove. This is not heat resistant. It's not as if you were using vegetable oil, which is a lighter oil. The darker the oil, the less heat resistant it is. And I always reiterate it, and I always say it in all my episodes because it's very, very important. So we're going to do 2. 1 and 2. Grab your measuring spoons if you need to. Perfect. Hope you guys are loving these episodes. Let me know in the comments. And I love the fact that I've created all this so simple. I mean, you know, we work and we're exhausted when we come home. It's great to have a 1-pot dish and throw it in there and just use one of my seasonings is all you need. You don't have to be digging through your cupboard for different spices and different seasonings, and you have it all one shot here with our original, guys, which I'm going to see here. Okay, I have lots of these in my cupboard. I'm going to use my original today in my original packaging, because my original is low. Up and put half of this in here. Remember, it heats up quick, guys. Let's put half of it in here, and we'll use the other half for our zucchini that is going to be in the same pot side by side with our sirloin medallions. Woo! So we're going to go ahead and add flavor to our pan with the meat. Then we're going to put it aside. You can have your meat medium rare, whichever you prefer. I like medium. I like medium, pink in the middle. So we're going to do that. We're going to add 1 tablespoon and a half of my original seasoning blend to our meat. And then we're going to add a little bit, like a teaspoon, to our veggies. Oh. And this is great because you can use this liberally. There's no salt, sugar, or gluten in this. Yum. So incredible with that lemon. I love it with lemon. I mean, oh, so delicious, you guys. I love lime. Oh. Once this is nice, and we're going to let this really, really brown. And so now I will say with confidence, when I come back, you guys, this is going to be brown. We're going to add our zucchini, you guys. You guys don't want to miss how quick and delicious this is. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Our meat is looking incredible. Check that out. Now I'm gonna grab myself a tablespoon of butter. A small tablespoon of butter, and we're gonna drop it on the side of the sauce. Watch this one pot wonder. You're not gonna believe it. It's so incredible. All right, so remember, we're working with high heat, so on sirloin will cook very, very easily, guys. Keep on turning it, keep on turning it. Incredible, wow. All right, so let's grab our zucchini. Now we're gonna drop the heat to medium, okay? We're gonna drop it to medium until we soften our zucchini because we don't wanna overcook our sirloin, guys. And that's it. Wait, that's not it, I'm sorry. I take that back, that is not it. Here we go, wait. All right, let's go ahead and make sure we coat our zucchini. Let me get a close up here so you can see me coating the zucchini. Yum, it looks so good already, guys. We're gonna grab half a lime, excuse me. Half a lime for our zucchini. Where is my little lime thing? Here it is. You guys already know me, everything's in the dishwasher. Make sure your lime half is face up and watch your eyes, guys. Yum. Oh, the smell in here is incredible. So now we are going to grab the rest of our garlic. Yum. Put it over our zucchini. I love garlic. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love garlic, guys. All right, so let's mix this up and get that delicious sirloin sauce. We're keeping our sirloin steak tips, our little medallion pieces. Hold on a second. All right, there we go. Wow. How is that for a quick meal, you guys? Look at that. I'll get you a close-up. Look at that. Looking so beautiful already. Wow. I like to garnish with cilantro, but I do like to put a little cilantro on my zucchini as it is. Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. Wow. So we're going to keep the meat on one side, try our best, and the zucchini on another side. All right, so while that's softening up, so I'm going to get ready to plate and taste, and when I come back, guys, this will be done. It'll be so beautiful, you guys. You don't want to miss this amazing quick meal with my original seasoning blend. This is episode 2 of my seasoning blend series, as I promised you all. I'll be right back, guys. You don't want to miss this. Okay, guys, I'm back. I don't like the zucchini to get mushy. I like for it to have texture. So we are ready to plate. You ready to look at this beautiful brown rice that I made? Check this out. Look at that beautiful cilantro. Oh my goodness. Beautiful brown rice. I will take this too. My hubby will love this. Oh my God. Incredible. Look at that. All right, so there we go. We got some beautiful brown rice here. So now we're gonna grab some of our sirloin tips. Oh, this is so delicious, you guys. Look at this. Nice and brown, so delicious, never overcooked. When I went to the break before coming back, I forgot to mention, and I did mention it at the beginning of this episode, to use a teaspoon of original for your zucchini with the garlic. Yum. And that's it. Grab some lime for our steak. We're going to grab some lime for our steak. Just a little bit. Put some, you can drizzle over your zucchini if you'd like. And we're going to grab some fresh cilantro for garnish. I love to always have it on hand. Look at that, you guys. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. Check how amazing that is. This is our sirloin cubed steak with our Julienne zucchini in the same pan using my Stovetopyumyum original seasoning blend with my amazing brown rice recipe, which I'll have in the description. Incredible. What do you guys think? Yum. But hey, I need to try this. Okay, now we're ready to try. Let's try. Yum. Okay, so I'm gonna grab myself a little piece of my sirloin. How delicious, you guys. It's not even bad for you, it's good for you. And it's great with the seasoning blends because there's no salt, sugar, gluten, or MSG or any of that. And the flavor's incredible. All right, here we go. I'm gonna grab the zucchini next. Oh my God. Sorry. The zucchini. I love texture, guys. And for today's series, as I mentioned, we used my special blend original seasoning. I wonder what we're going to use for the next episode. But here you have my 3 seasoning blends. My original we used today, it's very smoky. I have my organic mango used with the green mango, so there's a deep mango flavor with all those Caribbean flavors, so delicious. And my blazing gunpowder, which has 100% granulated organic honey in the mix, just enough to tame the heat, guys. So listen, whatever you do, make sure that you hit the like button and don't forget to comment. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell. The 2 main ingredients in everything that I cook are passion and love. That's right. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. If you incorporate passion and love, those 2 main ingredients in any recipe that you make, I promise you that your recipe won't fail. I'm telling you it won't. And guys, remember, in the description, also make sure you check out my recipe journal book, Stovetopyumyum Recipe Journal, that I just published. Has over 100 pages. You can sit in the comfort, in the comfort of your own home. And as you're watching my videos on YouTube, you can jot down the ingredients. You have space, you have an area where you can jot down the instructions, the name of the recipe. The link will be in the description as well. You have your choice of either hardcover or paperback. I just published it and I'm very proud of that, guys. And also my store where you can pick these up, and shipping is always free, guys. Make sure you write this down. Use promo code STOVETOP. Will save you 10% on your entire order. And as I always say at the end of every episode, guys, from the bottom of my heart, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetopyumyum, I will be back and I'll see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.